I'm often asked how I physically feel sound. Now, obviously, it's quite a different experience when you're practically on top of the instruments, where you're the producer of the sound as opposed to being the listener or a member of the audience. But nevertheless, we can all physically feel sound. We just have to pay attention. And the idea is opening up your body like a resonating chamber. So when I strike this big bass drum, you can actually see the head vibrate. I can see it very clearly even just by looking at it face on, but from the side you can really, really see that. But if I put my fingernail on the drum, and I've stopped feeling it. So that's a long time that it's actually resonating through my fingernail or wherever you put your hand. And the idea is to really pay attention, and that's really what listening is all about. But also, if I take a stick, and very often when I hold a stick or a mallet, I almost just have my little pinky supporting the stick so that when I actually strike something, I'm allowing the vibration of the sound to come through the shaft of the mallet. So for example, if I go closer to the edge, the vibration's much closer together. And so on and so forth. If I decided to hold the stick or mallet and kept a good old grip on it all the way through the stroke, I'm actually cancelling that vibration. It's just a split second that I'm actually feeling something. So it's really up to yourself to start exploring that and deciding where you want to be in relation to the instrument. And it opens up the different possibilities in where you want to strike as well. So it's not just the sound that you want to create, it's the feeling as well. So is it a distant sound that you want? Is it a kind of vibration where you want it to be a nervous vibration or something quite open? And this all affects how you physically play and negotiate the instrument as well, and thus what the audience feels.